Hi, this is Lev Mills, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Realty and Property Manager for Mills Elite Homes. I'd like to give you a walking tour of my latest rental listing at 2550 Plymouth Way in Conyers. Look at the nice construction of this home. You have a beautiful, quiet community here. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, of nice, comfortable, quiet living space. When we enter the front door, first thing you'll notice is it has a separate dining room. You have your powder room here. And let's take a look at the garage. It's a nice, big 2-car garage with extra storage space. Like I said, your powder room is right here. As we go through the dining room area, you enter into the kitchen. Look at this beautiful fridge. Nice stainless finish. You have your pantry here. Look at this beautiful stainless oven stove, and it has the kind of the gray stainless finish, which is very nice. Matching microwave and dishwasher. And you have eat-in kitchen right here as well. Then you enter the 2-story family room area, which is very nice. You can have your projector on the wall if you want to, or you can have a TV mounted over this nice fireplace. As we go upstairs, see that these nice, beautiful Samsung washer and dryer here. This is bedroom number 1. Have nice sized closets. We have your first full bathroom here. Tub shower combo. And then you have bedroom number 2 with another nice sized closet. Have a nice little linen closet here in the hallway. And then you have your double door entering into the master. Have a nice sized master bedroom. Look at this walk-in closet here. This could be an office. You have your garden tub, master bathroom, double vanity, shower, and a linen closet. Out back, we have this nice, quiet patio. For more details about the rental amount, the terms, and qualifications, give me a call or text at 678-590-5999. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more walkthrough videos like this one. Thank you and have a blessed day.